Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to spirit elements from a poster design using Canva for free. First, just open your Canva like this and then create a new designs, or you can also open your old designs and then next just upload the poster image that you want to edit. You can use a full poster or just an image with objects that you want to extract. And after that, just tap on the image and then next just choose edit this one, and then after that just simply tap or choose this feature, this tool magic layers, just tap on it and then next just wait for the process, and just like that you can see it now. Its object or elements from the poster can be selected separately like this. You can see it. You can just extract or grab any elements in here. You can move them around like this, and you can also resize them, delete the background or delete any elements, or just reuse them for your own poster designs. And I think this is super useful if you want to remix designs or create aesthetic poster or just make edits much better without using complicated software. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.